Hello students, welcome to our English class. So our today's topic is one and many. तुमच्या ह्या इंग्रजीच्या वर्गात स्वागत आहे आणि आजचा आपला विषय कोणता आहे इंग्रजी व त्यातील आपण काय शिकणार आहे वन अँड मेनी हा धडा आपण शिकणार आहे. So what is one and many? I will show you one example. This is one chalk in my hand, so we will call it as one chalk. Okay? तर आपण ह्या माझ्या हातात एक खडू आहे तर आपण त्याला काय म्हणणार एक खडू. If I have four chalks in my hand, so what we will call them? Many chalks. आपण ह्या जर माझ्या हातात भरपूर खडू असतील, अनेक खडू असतील, एकापेक्षाही जास्त खडू असतील तर आपण काय म्हणणार मेनी चॉक्स, अनेक खडू. तसंच वन म्हणजेच एक आणि मेनी म्हणजेच अनेक. सो टुडे वी विल सी सम एक्झाम्पल्स ऑन दिस लेसन वन अँड मेनी. Now see here you have some pictures over on the blackboard, right? This is a balloon, okay, and these are many balloons. We'll count them first. One balloon, okay, at the other box आपण दुसऱ्या box चे balloons आता count करूया. 1 2 3. So students, there are more than one balloons. If the thing is more than one, we will call it as many. ह्या बाजूला एक फुगा आहे, ह्या बाजूला अनेक फुगे आहेत, एकापेक्षाही जास्त फुगे आहेत तर इकडे आपण काय म्हणू शकतो वन बलून. पण एकापेक्षाही जर अनेक वस्तू असतील तर त्याला आपण काय म्हणणार मेनी बलून्स. तर आपण इकडे कसं लिहायचं वन बलून, right? And here there are many balloons. So how we will write here? We will use the word many for more. If there is more than one thing, then we will call it as many. So we will write here many balloons. Can you notice some difference? या balloon ह्या शब्दात आणि ह्या शब्दात तुम्हाला काहीतरी फरक दिसत असेल, राइट? इकडे मी S हा अल्फाबेट नाही जोडला आहे and here I have jotted out the alphabet S. Here it is balloons and here it is balloon. Why it is balloons over here? हा S मी इकडे का जोडलेला आहे? Because when there is more than one thing, when we call the spelling of that, when we pronounce that word, we use S. For example, ball, balls, balloon, balloons. Just because here are many balloons, कारण इकडे भरपूर balloons आहेत म्हणून आपण काय word use केलेला आहे S. So it is many balloons. Many word इथे add झाल्यामुळे आपण इथे काय जॉइन केलेला आहे S. So we'll see it again. One balloon, many balloons. Now here is the second picture. कुठलं चित्र आहे हे? Very good. This is a bird and here also are some birds. So we will count these birds. One bird. Okay. So what we will write here? One bird. Okay. Now we'll count here. 1 2 3. Here are 3 birds. So students, there are more than one. Here is one bird and here are more than one bird. So what we will use the word? We will use the word many birds. So we will write here many birds. Here also I have used the alphabet S. What to indicate? Many birds, right? So we will find here one bird and here we found many birds. Now we have the next example. What is this? This is a kite. Kite हे काय आहे? पतंग. इकडे मी पतंगचं चित्र काढलेलं आहे. Now we'll count these kites. आपण या पतंगला count करूया. Here it is one kite. So what we will write? One kite. But here are many kites. So we'll count them. 1 2 3. Here are more than one kite. Here are 3 kites. So we will write here many kites because there is more than one. So we will use the word again many. And this alphabet S, we will use this S over here because here are many kites. So students, what we have seen in this picture? One balloon, many balloons, because here are more than one balloons. Again, one bird, many birds, because we have seen here more than one bird. Here again one kite, right? And again here many kites, because we have seen many kites over here. Now we will move to some another examples. We will read this first. Look at the picture, say with me. Now here are some pictures and now we'll see those pictures. We will read what is written below. आता त्या pictures च्या खाली काय लिहिलेलं आहे व ही exercise कशाबद्दल आहे ते आपण पाहूया. Now students, see here. Here is a train. You can see a train. इथे तुम्हाला एक ट्रेन गाडी दिसत आहे, right? तर इकडे एकच ट्रेन आहे. Here is only one train. So what word I have used? Which alphabet I have used? I have used a train. Why a train? Because a indicates one. अ म्हणजे जेव्हा आपण हा शब्द वापरतो म्हणजेच काय एखाद्या वस्तूला दर्शवण्यासाठी आपण अ हा अल्फाबेट यूज करतो. We use this a word to indicate only one thing, which is a train. But here how many trains you see? We will count them. 1, 2. Here are 2 trains. So what is our question? How many trains? Why this question has used many this word in this question? Because there are more than one train, so we are using this word many. Now the question is how many trains? We will count them. 1, 2. Here are 2 trains. So what will be the answer? 2. So our answer is 2. Now students, now we will move towards second example. Which picture is this? This is a boat. I have ही एक होडी आहे, हे एका होडीचे चित्र आहे. तर इकडे मी काय लिहिलं आहे? A boat. Why I have wrote this letter A? Why? Because this is only one boat. So I have written here a boat. For the second picture, आपण हे परत count करूया. How many boats are here? 1, 2, 3. Here are 3 boats. इकडे 3 होड्या आहेत, right? So the question is how many boats? So how many boats we have counted? We have counted 3 boats. So we will write the number here 3, because there are 3 boats. Now for the last example, a car. ही एक कार गाडी आहे, बरोबर? इकडे again a हा शब्द लेटरचा यूज केलेला आहे. Why? Because it is only one car. So it is used a car. And next we see many cars on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 4 cars. So just because there are 4 cars, it has used the letter many, because it is more than one. So our question is how many cars? So we have counted 4 cars. So we will write here 4 cars. So students, from this all images, all these pictures, we have learned the lesson one and many. म्हणजेच एक म्हणजे one म्हणजे एक आणि many म्हणजे अनेक.